So I wanted to wait for this. I wanted to just do this in natural daylight when I had a day off, but I don't have a day off anytime soon, and I am not leaving these glitters in this bag any longer, not for one more second, so I'm jumping in. So in one of my past videos, I did a glitter haul of a bunch of glitters that I got from Amazon, which were top-notch glitters. But the issue that I ran into was that they were only metallic and iridescent finishes. Me being a self-proclaimed holosexual, I needed some holographic glitters in my life. So I found a lot of videos talking about super glitters, one pot of glitter for only $1. So I was like, oh, yes, jumping on the bandwagon. So I bought holographic glitters and we're gonna jump in right now. I got a box cutter this time. I am so prepared. Oh my god! Did I break something? Holy. Oh, good on you, super glitters. Look at that. They knew I was gonna be reckless with my order. They wrapped it in paper. This is awesome. I'm loving it. The glitters come in either mini jars, which are like the full-size jars, and then the bitty jars, which are the smaller jars. I noticed that there were fine glitters in all these shades, and then there's ultra fine glitters. So I actually got the fine glitters and ultra fine glitters in different shades. Yeah, if you're going for something that's just gonna be on your eye, just go with the ultra fine glitters, because these are big boy chunks. So something that I noticed about this website that nobody else mentions is that as soon as you click add to cart, it just goes in this little separate bubble if you're on your phone, and then you can just like add to cart, add to cart, add to cart. That's what I like about online shopping. I don't need to check my cart every time.
Typically, if you want a bunch of different shades of something, when you're online shopping, you have to like click and then add to cart, and then click and then add to cart, and then scroll through all the other shades, you know, and click and add to cart. But like with this, you just add it to cart and you're good to go.
So the larger glitter is just called fine glitter, and then the smaller glitters are the ultra fine glitters. So I hope you can see the difference in the size. Right, so let's get it on. I'm gonna take you up close and personal now with the glitters that I just got and do a little swatches. So if I had to pick of this little group of new glitters, my favorites would be Goldeneye, of course, in the ultra fine glitter, and Orbit in the ultra fine glitter. I think my least favorite one is Rebellious Red, because this is not holographic, and Christine would be very, very disappointed in this if she saw it. Honestly, I would not recommend these sizes unless you're a makeup artist, unless you need to have glitter on your face at all times of the day. Like, I would not recommend these sizes because they are huge. This is compared to my Painterly paint pot, like That's big. That's so much glitter. So you guys, I'm gonna link the website to where I got all these glitters in the description below, and if you decide to buy any of them, let me know. Put it in the comments because I really want to know. If you like this video, like it up, and don't forget to subscribe. I make videos at least once a week, and they're usually all about makeup. So I hope you have a wonderful day and a wonderful life. Goodbye!